What's up, adventurers? I'm Kody, and today we're out here in Ocala National Forest at Alexander Springs. I'm accompanied by my sister, who you guys have met before, and we're also going to be meeting up with my new pal Trevor from Full Tail Outdoors. I met Trevor through a Florida Springs group on Facebook. Lots of lovely people sharing spring experience, and it's a great group to find local dive buddies. Today we're going to be doing one tank dive and some free diving. I did bring my metal detector just in case we can find any treasure, and we'll also be looking out for any trash while we're down there. I also want to give a huge shout out to Southern Yankee Clothing Company for making my new adventure shirts. I'll have some available for purchase very soon. So with all that being said, let's go get in the water and get this day started. We're all set up with Trevor, Full Tail Outdoors. We're going to be doing a couple spring dives here at Alexander Springs today. Stay tuned. We're going to have a blast. No Trevor found today. We did manage to clean up some trash with the metal detector. Beautiful water, awesome temperature, awesome day to dive. Couldn't have asked for a better day. So stay tuned. I'll post the link to Trevor's page in comments below, and stay adventurous. We are officially out of the water for the day. It was a beautiful dive day. I appreciate you guys watching. If you guys like this video, remember, be sure to like, share, and subscribe.